Hi everyone and good evening. Welcome back to my channel. तो आज जिस टॉपिक पे हम बात कर रहे हैं that is particular study program किसी authentic website से कैसे ढूंढें. So while sitting in your country, I mean you can do it using the web page that is called the MastersPortal.eu. So let's discuss about this page. So सबसे पहले आपने जाना है Google में, just type MastersPortal.eu. This is the link. We have to click on this first link. Here we have the two options. You can see here where to study and what do you want to study. क्या आपको study करना है and कहाँ आपको study करना है. So let's suppose I want to study engineering. So you will see a lot of options here. So engineering and technology area. Well, I have selected engineering technology, and then where to study. So you can select any country. Like for example, I am selecting Spain. So just select and you will have a lot of options here. अब the main thing is that यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक filter का options available है. There is an option of filter available here. यहाँ पे आप discipline, location, tuition fees, duration, format, attendance, degree type and etc. special programs आप यहाँ पे select कर सकते हैं, and according to those filters you can basically filter out your particular one. So let's suppose I'm going to select here electronic and embedded systems. So this is my discipline, and then I'm going to choose this is electronic and embedded IT, and now I'm going to choose the location. So as I have already choose the location, that is Spain. And now let's talk about the tuition fees. So basically you have the range of the tuition fees, minimum to maximum, whatever you want to write. So I'm going to place here, let's say as minimum as possible, let's say 2500 euros, and that the duration, this is very important. I'm going to select 2 years of duration, and then the format, of course you have to select part-time and as per your need, or the full-time. Attendance, you have a lot of options. You have basically 3 options, like online, on campus or blended learning. So you will choose on campus learning because you want to move to abroad for your higher studies. And then your degree type, what degree type you want to pursue. So here you have MSc, and then Master of Science, Master of Laws, whatever you want. So here I will select Master of Science, and then all the things has been filtered out. Unfortunately, we have found only one program, that is energy engineering. So you will open the tab. You will see here all the details about this program. So इस program की जो duration है वो है 2 years, and then you have the annual fees जो है 1600, more or less 1600 euros, and then applying date, that is going to start from July 2025, and this will start by September 2025. If you see the university, so you have the name of the university is here, Polytechnic University of Catalonia, in short UPC, Universidad de Politécnica Catalunya. And you can see because here you have a limited information because you cannot see anything. There are a lot of tabs: overview, program structure, admission requirement, fees and fundings. All of these options can be viewed by logging into this website by your Gmail account. So I'm going to start with my Gmail account. So let's see, in this portal, by your Gmail account, you can explore all of these options. So here is a key information that what kind of particular requirements are for this program. So language is essential, and then credit hours. This program consists of 120 credit hours on campus delivery, and discipline is in the electronic embedded technology, and that is the energy engineering. Then program structure, you have the courses available in this program, admission requirements, what are the admission requirements, it is written here. Then mainly the fees and fundings. Average cost of living in Barcelona, that is 700 to 1300 per month, more or less, according to your lifestyle. And then the funding, yes, you have some options for the fundings, and then you have the scholarships available. So then visa information, the visa information is written here as per your country. If you're from Pakistan, so well, all the information is going to be fetched from your Gmail account. and then the work permit information, that what kind of work permit you are going to have once you are here as a student, as a master's degree program. So basically this link was for those who wants to pursue their master's degree from foreign. Thank you. Bye bye.